Okay, so let's get straight to the video. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you're listening to me. So today we're gonna be downloading PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is what we're downloading today. So first things first, you would like to do this particular procedures and delete any PostgreSQL applications on your system or any form of way that might have been downloaded before. So first, let's try to go and look for it on our systems and try to delete. So let me share my screen and follow me along. So since I'm sharing my entire screen, the first thing we'll need to go here is to go to our settings and check from the settings and kindly try to delete any form of, let me just look for settings here. Okay, we click on settings. So we click on settings and it comes up to open this particular page. And let's wait for it to load. We're going to be opening the particular app points there. And from there, we'll try to see if we've downloaded any PostgreSQL before, PostgreSQL, and to delete it. So you come to apps and try to uninstall if we've downloaded anything like it before. So let's wait. Okay, so this is our app list, and we're scrolling down. And from the looks of things, we haven't downloaded it before. It's not part of the things we've downloaded before. So, like I said, so from there, this is the first place we come to check. Then we close. Then we open our file manager, and once the file manager is up, we go and check downloads just in case we might have downloaded it before. So just in case you might have downloaded it before. We come to downloads, and from downloads, this looks like we've not even downloaded it before. So you go to downloads, like I said, and check under downloads. There's nothing like PostgreSQL. Then the last thing is you come to this PC. From this PC, you go to local disk. From local disk, we now look for it again and to see if we might have downloaded it, and if not, we're good to go. So from here, it doesn't look like we downloaded it at all. So from this point, we will be moving now to the downloads. Thank you. So now to the downloads. Let's go back to Google. So straight to the downloads. And we'll be coming to Google. Or better still, we'll just check straight into downloading PostgreSQL download. Yes, PostgreSQL downloads. And we come here, and this is the first one. We click it. So I'll wait for it to open. And once you click the first one, just give it a minute once it opens. So this is the various system of your operating system you use based on your system, a Linux, a Mac OS, a Windows, a BSD, and a Solaris. I use a Windows, so I'll be clicking on the Windows. Then from here, we scroll down. These are the various versions you want and of how updated they are. So you would mindly like to try the one that would suit your version best, like the particular version you like best. But advisable is always good to download the latest version, which will be this. So you come down right up here. Okay, yeah, and you download the installer. So these are the platforms. It's like I said, these are the various downloads, and you come right up here to download the installer. And it brings you to this point. So just like we already said, you try to download the best version or the latest version. And like I said, based on your operating system, for me, I will be picking this particular Windows to based on my own operating system. So this is what I'll be using. So presently, I think the download has started. And let me see if, just to check it, if the downloads are started. Okay, then let me go back and automatically click on the downloads so that it starts. So download has started just like you see. So we have 6 minutes left for download to be up. When we come back, we would come and downloads should have been done, or probably just wait till the whole download is done, and we would install right into the class, slide right into the tool so that we have an idea of what PostgreSQL would look like once it's done installing. So let's just wait for it. It's almost done, so just let's give it a minute.